Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. I decided to do like how to apply eyeshadow, but I'm gonna do it with like purple shades. So, I hope you guys like it, and let's see if I can get this thing to work. Let me slide it in a little, so okay, there you go. Sorry about that. It kind of took me a minute. Okay, so let's do purple shades. I'm using this Beauty 101 palette. Yeah, it's called Beauty 101 um palette. Um and I got this in Kid Supers, but it's been a while. Okay. So I'm gonna start off with like a light purple. It's the one right there. The one that let's see if I can do it here. One right there. I know it looks kind of like white, but actually it is purple, but it's a very, very light. So let's start off with that one. Let me hold the computer here so I can come in a little further. So I can. You start here and you go here. It doesn't really show because it's like a very, very light color. That's the first eye, and then let me do the second eye. There you go. And then I'm going to use like a darker purple. The darker purple that I'm using, I don't know if you guys can see it very well. It's kind of dark. It's this one right there. Where is it at? Oh, right there. That one's about empty. I use that one a lot. Um, it's like a dark purple. Let me get some more. I'll get a way darker shade. Let's get this one. This one on a roll. So you start here and you go here. can also do this. You guys can kind of see it. It's a little hard to see in this camera, but you guys can kind of see it here, sort of. Yeah, it depends on how the light shows. It's kind of hard to see it. You can kind of see it in how the light shines on it. Then this other eye. And then you guys can kind of see it. Well, maybe. It kind of depends on how the light's shining. But let's see. And then I'm going to just add one more shade of purple. It's a little different shading, but yeah, let me do it like this. You guys can use really any other kind of shades. Mine are kind of light and yeah, except maybe one. Yeah, actually two of them, but yeah. Mine are kind of light, so yeah. That might be why you guys can't really see it very well. Whoa. Okay. There you go. But do comment if you guys like my purple eyeshadow a tutorial thing, because I was using goodness, a whole bunch of eyeshadow coming to me. I used like this light one right here, and then I used this one, which is a little darker. No, you can't really see it very well. It looks kind of white in this camera, but yeah. And there's this one, which is a little darker, and this one very dark, and then this one kind of in between, So let me add a little bit of this, but do comment if you guys have liked my purple eyeshadow tutorial. So comment if you guys like it, give it a big thumbs up, hit the bell icon. Forgot that. Oh goodness, can't get things straight. Okay, give this video a big thumbs up, hit the bell icon. There you go. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you later. Bye.